My name is Kayla Barrett. I'm a biology major here at UNC Asheville. A tardigrade is a microscopic animal with 8 legs. They're also called water bears or moss piglet. Tardigrades can be found anywhere, really. They're most commonly found in different types of moss and lichen. What makes them so special is their stress tolerance to things that normal animals or humans wouldn't be able to withstand. Radiation is one thing we're studying, and they can survive up to 1,000 times a normal dose of radiation that would normally kill anything else. We want to study that so that we can take those elements and implement them in humans or other things, because that stress tolerance is so unique. We went out to Sandy Bottom recently, which is a wetland that is owned by UNC Asheville. We went out specifically to look for tardigrades. We collected different moss and lichen types so that we could check for diversity in the tardigrade species. We would then bring them back to the lab to sort through the samples and look for the different species. Once we extracted the moss and lichen from Sandy Bottom, we take it back to the lab to isolate the tardigrades. The isolation process is pretty simple. We put them on a little plate, and that has a little filter between them. We put the sample on top, and then we leave it under a light overnight. So basically the tardigrades travel in between the filter and into the water at the bottom. Once they go through the filter, they are in that water, and then we extract them into the lab. Under the microscope, we separate the tardigrades out from any of the nematodes or algae or any debris that's in the water, and we isolate them into a dish. My favorite part about this research is being able to cultivate all the different species of tardigrades we find. There is thousands on thousands of different species of tardigrades, so being able to go out into the wild and collecting some different tardigrade species, it really is a lot of fun to see them grow. Being in the lab is being able to connect fieldwork and lab experience together. I really like being out in the field because it connects back to what you're doing in the lab. You get really attached to your samples. Like when you find something new in a sample that you found, it feels so special. I came to UNC Asheville because of how small it was. I really liked the hands-on aspect about the school. All the staff and professors are very passionate about what they do, and it's very hands-on. Everyone is willing to help you with whatever they can, and it's a very welcoming environment.